Hello guys, as this week we have been speaking about gap ups and gap down, understand that each day in the stock market we have gap ups and we have gap downs. It's every day. It's not, but because people they don't know about gap ups and gap down, they think that it happens like 3 months or 2 months or 6 months. It happens some gap ups, but in the market it's every day. Now today I'm just trying to give you 2 gap ups and 2 gap downs of stocks that are famous, because this is what the people know. Other stocks, it's every day. Now we begin with Apple. As you can see, I told you before that when I told you that on Wednesday, on Tuesday, when we have the gap up, I told you that $7 that you see at night at 7:59 at night, it wasn't a good gap up. That's why in the morning it keeps going up to $11, and then today, which is Thursday, it was so good. It is $5.89, which is very good for Apple to continue. It's good. Now Tesla also, as you can see, it goes $48. Okay, it's 16.19%, which is so pretty good. Now these are the good ones that it is very famous. Now as you can see, we see that Facebook has been hit so hard, and Twitter has been also hit so hard with the bad news. But it's something. As you can see, I suspect that there is like a mutual fund selling also for Twitter and for Facebook, because it is not normal. When I check the price, when they are like with the news, it was just $7 or $10. It's not a big deal. But going down for Facebook, it was, I think, because of the price going down, continue to go down, I think it's like, let's say, a mutual fund who has been selling a lot of shares. That's why Facebook has been going down so bad. Twitter also, like Facebook, it lost about 20% of its price. Okay, this is the game of stock market. So whenever you have, for example, a bad luck, for example, when we have a gap down, understand that the stock next time or the other time it will have a gap up. So these kind of stocks always change, and always we have gap up and gap down, but the thing is we don't know when. Okay, so it's always surprises for these stocks. But understand that in the stock market, if you want to see daily, you can go to Google and you see the gap ups of the day. You will see a lot of stocks. There are a lot of websites that you can check. Just Google it. You will find daily. Now, for me, I am not doing a strategy about gap ups and gap downs. But for those who are following stocks, you should be aware that always we have gap up and gap down. Okay? So thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.